It's February the 4th. I'm going to call the calendar and get everyone's announcements. All right. State of Georgia versus Aaliyah Adams.
State will be ready.
Good morning, Your Honor. Vernon Smith. We would be ready. I would like an opportunity to speak with the prosecutor.
All right. State of Georgia versus Nicholas R. Moore.
State will be ready. State will be ready.
Yeah, I heard y'all was waiting to see who represented Mr. Moore.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Claire Lewis represents him.
Okay.
Good
State
morning,
of Georgia
Judge.
versus Justice Bingley.
What name is that, Judge?
Justin Bingley.
State will be ready.
That's represented by Attorney Attorney Javaric Rogers. I'm not seeing him on here.
I just admitted him into the meeting. All right. State of Georgia versus King Black.
State will be ready.
Attorney Rogers also. That's the juvenile.
I didn't hear the name that was called, Judge. I apologize.
King Black.
Oh, he was out on bond is what they told me.
Is he with you all over here at the juvenile detention facility?
No, ma'am. They just advised he's not down there with him.
Okay, all right. State of Georgia versus Dietrich Blair.
State will be ready.
Attorney Brandon Lewis is assigned.
Okay.
I'm here on that, Judge.
You here? Okay. What's your announcement?
I believe Mr. Blair is actually going to be a straight waiver. I'll speak to
Okay.
the state about that.
All right. State of Georgia versus Terrence Boyd.
State will be ready.
That's also my case, Judge. That is going to be a straight waiver.
Okay. State of Georgia versus Michael Bradshaw.
One second, Judge. State will be ready.
Oh, for report, Judge. Morning.
Good morning. All right. State of Georgia versus Mikelly Brown.
State will be ready.
Retrial, Judge.
Terrence Brunson.
State will be ready.
Oh, for report, Judge.
Tamir Bryson.
State will be ready.
And Judge, Mr. Bryson advised he was hiring his own attorney. I don't know if that happened, Judge, or not. But that's why it was continued from last time.
All right. State of Georgia versus Trevor Carr.
State will be ready.
Oh, for report.
Ishmael Carter.
State will be ready.
Attorney Claire Lewis.
I'm sorry, Judge. I missed the name.
Ishmael Carter.
Oh, yes. Call for report, please.
State of Georgia versus Ebenezer Clemente.
State will be ready.
Ready prelim,
You said what? I'm sorry.
ready for hearing, ready prelim.
Okay. That's number 37. State of Georgia versus Christopher Corbett.
State will be ready.
Mr. Toles. State of Georgia versus Alex Crumbly.
State will be ready.
Attorney Brad Moody is assigned to that case.
State of Georgia versus Jason Curry.
State will
Good
be
morning,
ready.
Judge. And Judge, I'll need a moment to speak with Ms. Thomas about that matter.
Okay. Roberto Darkins.
State will be ready.
Pre-trial judge.
DeMarco Ellis.
State will be ready.
Booker. Nobody's here. Yate, could you check on this attorney as well as the other missing attorneys, please?
Your Honor, who do you have down as the attorney of record?
Robert L. Booker.
For Mr. Ellis, Your Honor?
Yes, and the other attorneys, check on Mr. Toles and somebody else, Moody.
Oh. Mr. Toll sent a conflict. He said he'll be able to log in at 10.
Okay, so check on the other ones, please.
Okay.
Your Honor, I received the same email from Mr.
Okay.
Toles.
All right. State of Georgia versus Javin Finesca.
State will be ready.
Stephen Reba. You got another one to add to your list, Yate.
Okay.
All right. State of Georgia versus Daquan Foster Hill.
State will be ready.
Attorney Toles is assigned to that case.
Okay. Sir Charles Grace.
State will be ready.
Attorney LaPortia Smalls is assigned to that case.
What's her last name? I'm sorry.
Smalls, Judge. SMALLS.
State of Georgia versus Roberto Graham.
State will be ready.
And Judge, Mr. Graham told me he hired Courtney Nichols.
Your Honor, actually, that's going to, I believe, Ms. Nichols and I worked out 2 consent bonds yesterday, and I think he may be one of them if I can have a second to check.
Okay.
Yes, he's one of them. She sent the paperwork in and I forwarded it to Judge Case Johnson yesterday.
Okay. No problem. All right. That's a consent. Trevon Granberry.
State will be ready.
Ready prelim, Judge.
DeMark Rico Grover.
State will be ready.
Attorney Chris Stoles is assigned. That defendant is also a juvenile.
Okay. Gonzalez Hambrick.
State will be ready.
And I need to hold on that one, Judge.
Nathan Hilton,
State will be ready.
Hold for report, Judge.
Brian Hill,
State will be ready.
Attorney Brad Moody is assigned.
Dante Jackson,
State will be ready.
Pretrial judge.
Zenovia Jennings,
State will be ready.
Hold for report, Judge.
Andre Johnson,
State will be ready.
And I suspect that's gonna be a hearing judge. There are a couple of co-defendants on it, just so you know.
what was the last part you said, Mr. Rogers?
I said there are a couple of co-defendants on it.
Oh, okay. Do you know who the co-defendants are?
Now,
I
if you
think-
give me a second, I can check. I can tell you.
I think one of them is Mr. Grover, Mr. Toll's client, and the other one I think is Chase Jones.
That's the next position, Chase Jones.
Judge, I
State,
expect that. I'm sorry.
State will be ready.
Judge, I expect that to be a hearing this morning.
Okay, you represent Mr. Jones?
It's correct, Judge.
Okay. Pasha Kilgore,
Good morning, Your Honor. This is Candace Duvernay. Please forgive my voice. I'm under the weather. I would like to speak with the state on this matter.
all right, I'll mark it as a pretrial, Ms. Duvernay.
Yes, Judge. Thank you.
Sanchez Lattimore,
State will be ready.
Ready prelim, Judge.
Louis Lavender,
State will be ready.
Ready prelim, Judge.
Trayvon Lowry,
State will be ready.
Ready prelim, Judge.
Nathaniel Luckett,
State will be ready.
Pretrial judge.
Adrian Mathis,
State will be ready.
And I think it's gonna be a hearing judge, but I may want to modify that at some point, but I think it's gonna be a hearing.
I'll just put it as a pretrial. For now, you can tell me if we need to move it to the rated list.
Understood, thank you.
You're welcome. Shavar Maynard,
Maynard, Your Honor.
yes, Shavar Maynard.
State will be ready.
Hold for report, Judge.
Steve McBride,
State will be ready.
And I need to hold on that one, judge.
William McDuffie Jr.
State will be ready.
That's also a hold, Judge.
Christopher McMillan.
State will be ready.
And Judge, this is my other case. I'll need a pretrial with the state. I would also ask, I'm in Gwinnett County right now. Superior Court needs to see me in a few minutes for felony matter there. I can log off and return afterwards.
All right, no problem.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, we did that. Tarika Mills.
State will be ready.
Hold for report, Judge.
Anthony Morrison.
State will be ready.
I need to hold on that one, Judge.
Malik Moulton.
State will be ready.
Ready prelim, Judge.
Jaden Owens.
State will be ready.
Attorney Jonathan Oden is assigned.
Kelly Riley.
State will be ready.
Pretrial, Judge.
Joshua Rosser.
State will be ready.
That defendant bonded out, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. Angel Ruby Jr.
State will be ready.
Hold on that one, Judge.
Lisa Sambol.
State will be ready.
Hold for report, Judge.
Anthony Sloan.
Yeah, state would be asking a continuance on this one. I believe the officer was in contact with the court yesterday. He has a medical,
Oh, is that case?
yes, ma'am, that's the one.
Okay. So what was the consensus that you all were going to do with that Mr. Sloan's case?
Judge, I guess my only question is, and I understand that it's a valid reason for a continuance. Will we still be able to do a bond motion next Friday, or is the court's policy to not do a bond motion until the prelim has either been held or withdrawn?
I don't see a problem with that, but I don't know who's working next week. I guess I have to check and see because I can't control what another judge would do. So it's not like a policy per se to answer your question. But we haven't moved it off that calendar as of yet.
This would be the Friday calendar, Judge?
It indicates it's on for February. This Friday. It'll be Judge Case Johnson.
Okay. All right, Judge,
I'll check with her.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
And may I briefly log off in order to do a calendar call, and I'll log back on with Mr. Tolles?
Okay, no problem. All right, let me make a note to check on that with Judge Case Johnson. Actually, Yate, could you ask her about that, please? If if Sloan can stay on a bond hearing calendar given the circumstances about the officer not being available today.
We spoke about it. Typically what happens
we'll talk offline.
Okay.
I just wanted to check with her.
All right.
All right.
Judge, was a reset date set?
No, not yet. I'm gonna talk to Case Johnson first about it.
Okay.
All right. Ricky Tasley.
Yeah, I received an announcement from Deputy Chief Nigel Hunter regarding Mr. Tasley. Apparently, they worked out some type of negotiation in Superior Court, and in regards to that negotiation, this case is supposed to be dismissed. So I'll be submitting paperwork on this a little bit later. I'm not sure whose attorney is here or if the attorney knows.
It was
I
Yeah,
can tell you about it. Are you
Yeah,
familiar?
I'm aware of the situation, Judge. I don't have anything to add right now.
Okay, so this will be dismissed. I can mark that as such, Ms. Thomas.
Yes, ma'am. I just have to do the paperwork.
Okay. Arenthal Taylor.
State will be ready.
And Judge, that was a consent bond we worked out, but I'm still waiting on the paperwork to submit it. So,
Oh, this is the one from Monday.
right.
You should have gotten all that. You didn't get all that?
No, ma'am.
Okay, I'll follow up.
Okay, I'll indicate that. Latavius Tolbert.
State will be ready.
Hold for report, Judge.
Harold Walker.
State will be ready.
And I need to hold on that one, Judge. Probably gonna need to ask the court about some things.
All right. Marquise Watson.
State will be ready.
Judge, is the prison on with us?
I see, I see 2 prisons on here with us.
Okay, great. Hold for report.
Okay.
I'm assuming he's at one of them.
Which one, what facility is Mr. Watson at? Oh, I see, it is Hancock. Okay.
Thank you. All right.
So well, actually, let me finish this.
I'm gonna confer with him. Yeah.
Okay. All right. So that's everybody that I have on my calendar. Is there anyone that was expecting their client to be heard that was not heard?
Your Honor, James Kelly was continued from Monday to.
Take it up
Oh, that's
special.
an add-on.
Yeah, we'll take it up special. That does
Kelly,
not require
okay.
an answer. Yeah.
What's the announcement for Kelly?
There is no announcement, Judge. It's not a prelim.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Anybody else? Any other add-ons? No? Okay.
We had, Your Honor, Thomas Lee on here for Brandon Thomas, but I don't see him on.
What was the name of the defendant?
Lee, Thomas Lee.
Thomas Lee. And who was his
Lee
lawyer?
Thomas. That's a consent bond.
Okay.
That's the one that rolled over from Monday, correct?
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, okay. It's a consent bond.
Okay.
You might have gotten the paperwork yesterday. I'm not sure.
Okay. All right. So I'm going to set up I'm sorry, Mr. Rogers.
I was gonna say on Mr. Bingley, because I think I came in after that one was called, Justin Bingley.
Okay.
I'll be moving to dismiss as it's barred by the statute of limitations, Judge.
Okay.
This is Deputy Traore. I didn't hear Walker Arnold.
I'll speak with you in a second.
Okay.
It was called.
Who bonded out, Miss Davis?
One of the officers were asking about.
Okay, I'm gonna set up these breakout rooms. Are you ready for you have actually
Judge,
you have any of your office?
I'm checking.
Who does?